Joining us now, Mike Novogratz, Galaxy Digital, founder and CEO. Mike, thanks for joining us. I don't know if your ears were burning. On the way down, as you recall, there were quite a few stopping points, and nobody can ever call a bottom. There were a couple of times where you said you thought some of those levels would hold. I'm not sure if it matters that they didn't hold on the long term, because here we are. So you're 30. We may have gone to 16, but when you said it was going to hold at 30, I think you were, maybe you can claim victory there. You were wrong, but now it's back, and it's back at 30. It is really hard for people to understand what causes Bitcoin to go from 67,000 back to 16 and now back to 30, but that's what we've seen through the history of Bitcoin.
Well, listen, I think going from 60 on its way down happened because Chairman Powell got really aggressive on interest rates.
Right.
So that made sense to me. I think the last bit, I don't know if it was 25 to 16 or 30 to 16, was this collection of frauds and risk management mistakes that our whole industry had to wash out of the system. And that took out lots of leverage. It took out lots of bad actors and left the market at the beginning of the year where anyone who had to sell had already sold. And so we're having a pretty constructive rally based on a bunch of things. One is the market is pretty certain that Chairman Powell is finished or close to finished, right? We're heading into a credit crunch in the United States, and gold, Bitcoin, Ethereum, those assets that will do well in a slowdown are telling us something. The second is adoption, right? There are 180 million people that own a piece of a Bitcoin, and that number grows every year. And we're seeing aggressive moves in Hong Kong and Abu Dhabi and Dubai to set up regulatory frameworks to attract crypto, right as the U.S. is fighting against it. And so we're seeing a lot of Asian money move in. You're seeing some hedge funds in the United States participate in the futures market. But it's really got a story for the first time in a while.
The correlation with gold gives credence to your argument that maybe it's because Powell is getting close. But also, Mike, the SVB situation, I know you saw how Bitcoin looked almost, it's crazy, but it almost looked like a flight to quality, which, throws Munger, and anyone who thinks of it that way, it's almost heresy to say that. But if you think about it, if the intermediary is the issue, the bank, i.e. the bank holding the assets, with Bitcoin, theoretically, if you have your own wallet, I mean, Coinbase notwithstanding, but you can disintermediate every single institution that you would need to worry about, and all you'd be left was the Bitcoin itself, which, if you believe in it, is always going to have inherent value. You can just get rid of all the, fraud and just have your Bitcoin.
In some ways, it was such a galvanizing day for the crypto community, kind of the old school crypto community, who, started this whole ecosystem based on a distrust of centralized governments, of banks, right? It came out of the 2008 crises. And so this combination of, I know I shouldn't have trusted the banks, and we have instant settlement, really kind of re-galvanized that original story. This crypto rally has been built on the backs of the crypto community. It's not been new money. It's not been pension funds and asset managers coming in. It really was retail driven and crypto people. We're getting some new people in. Like that's the core of Galaxy's business. And we're certainly seeing an uptick in business. But I kind of think our uptick in business is coming because a lot of our competitors got wiped out, not that the overall, U.S. institutional pie has been growing.
What happens to Ether, Michael? I'm wondering, when that blockchain is upgraded and all the staked Ether is available for sale, what do you think happens?
Listen, these are always tricky to call. Is it buy the rumor, sell the fact? I think a lot of people sold. Ether's underperformed a bit this year based on that. And we don't think there'll be that much selling. I think people will maybe sell their staked rewards, right? The interest if you would have it. And so it'll take a couple days to digest. But Ethereum has its own big and vibrant community, and they're doing a lot of good things. And this is another big win, a feather in the cap of progress in the Ethereum community. And so most people I know right now have a Bitcoin and an Ether position. They're less interested in the altcoins. It just feels a little safer. But I don't see a big sell-off in Ethereum coming.